Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the must-know strategies to improve your on-page SEO and boost your website's ranking on Google. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned website owner, these tips will help you drive more traffic. Let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what on-page SEO is. It's all about optimizing the content and elements on your website pages to make them search engine friendly. Think keywords, meta tags, internal linking, and even your site structure. A strong on-page SEO strategy is the foundation for better rankings and visibility. Tip number 1: optimize your keywords. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find high-volume, low-competition keywords relevant to your content. Tip number 2: craft compelling title tags and meta descriptions. Your title should be under 60 characters and include your primary keyword. For meta descriptions, keep them under 160 characters, engaging, and keyword-rich. Tip number 3: create high-quality content that answers user queries. Write for humans first and search engines second. Use clear headlines, bullet points, and visuals to make your content scannable. Tip number 4: optimize your images. Rename image files to include keywords. Add descriptive alt text to every image, which improves accessibility and helps search engines understand the image content. Tip number 5: use internal linking to boost SEO. Link to other relevant pages on your website to help search engines crawl your site and improve navigation for users. Tip number 6: optimize your page speed. A slow loading site can hurt your SEO and frustrate visitors. Tip number 7: ensure your site is mobile friendly. With most traffic coming from mobile devices, a responsive design is essential. These steps will set you on the path to better rankings and more organic traffic. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Web Hosting World for more actionable SEO tips. Let us know in the comments which strategy you'll try first or if you have questions. See you in the next video. Happy optimizing!